The 52-inch Conjure is a modern-style ceiling fan with a flush mount design and a color-changing light. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The 52-inch blade span is best suited for large spaces that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and low ceilings. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Ensure power is safely turned off at the breaker. On the mounting plate, remove 2 of the screws directly across from each other. Loosen the remaining 2 screws. At the outlet box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the outlet box and align the holes. Insert and tighten the removed screw securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the mounting plate and hang it from the hook. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box and mounting plate together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the fan with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black and red wires from the fan with the hot wire from the outlet box. If you have an additional hot wire to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire for fan power to one hot wire and the red wire for light power to the other hot wire. If you have any additional wires from your outlet box that will not be used for the installation, cap them off with a wire nut. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully tuck the connections up towards the outlet box. Lift the fan from the bracket and align the keyholes with the loose screws on the mounting plate. Twist to hold in place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Bring the canopy ring up to the motor and slide it up to the ceiling. Align over the mounting plate screws to clip into place. The ceiling mounting is complete and the fan blades can now be installed. The fan motor assembly is shipped with a packing mount to prevent movement during transportation. Unscrew the 3 screws to remove the packing mount. Bring a fan blade up to the fan and insert it into one of the slots on the motor. Align the holes, then place a blade support plate with screws. Tighten all screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Locate the slots on the light kit. Locate the tabs on the motor's mounting ring. Align the light kit slots over the tabs and turn clockwise until snug. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The assembly is complete and the remote is now ready for setup. This fan features an optional wall holder that converts the handheld remote into a wall control. For drywall installation, mount the remote control holder using the included drywall anchors and screws. For installation over a rocker switch, remove the 2 screws holding the cover plate. Align the remote control over the holes, then insert and tighten the included replacement cover screws. For installation over a toggle switch, remove the 2 screws holding the cover plate. Align the remote control bracket over the holes, then insert and tighten the included replacement cover screws. Clip the remote control holder over the bracket. Insert and tighten the bracket screws. Note that the bracket screws are short and will not damage the cover underneath. On the remote, install the included batteries. Press the power on-off button to begin using the fan. By default, the remote's dip switch is in the 0 position and the fan is set to universal operation mode. It will accept commands from any remote in range. If you have multiple fans, they will all be able to work with the same remote. To have the fans paired to individual remotes instead, follow these 3 steps to set the fans to paired operation mode. First, set the dip switches in the battery compartments of all remotes to the 1 position. Second, turn off power to the fan being paired for a few moments. Then restore power. Third, within 30 seconds, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote. The light will flash on and off and the fan will begin to spin to indicate the pairing was successful. Repeat the pairing process for any remaining fans. Once completed, all paired fans will only accept commands from the remotes they were paired with. If you are experiencing issues with the fan or want to set the fan to universal operation mode again, you can factory reset the fan's programming. First, set the dip switch to the 0 position. Second, turn off power to the fan for a few moments, then restore power. Within 30 seconds, press the Learn button in the remote. The fan light will flash on and off to indicate it has been factory reset. With the remote properly set up, the fan is now ready to operate. Press the power on-off button to toggle the fan and light on or off. Press the fan on-off button to toggle the fan on or off. Press the fan speed buttons to increase or decrease the fan speed. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, or low speed. Press the light on-off button to toggle just the light on or off. Press and hold the light brightness buttons to increase or decrease the brightness of the light. Press the correlated color temperature button to cycle through the light color temperature options. The light can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. With the fan turned off, use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and replacement parts, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.